A well-equipped kitchen is more than just a place to cook, it's a space where efficiency, cleanliness, and convenience come together to make daily routines smoother and more enjoyable. From advanced cleaning appliances that save time and water to clever organization systems that turn cluttered cabinets into tidy, accessible spaces, the right tools can completely transform how you interact with your kitchen. Modern kitchen innovations focus on smart design and multifunctionality. Compact appliances now offer full-sized performance, making them ideal for smaller homes or secondary kitchens, without sacrificing power or features. Organization tools like modular spice racks and versatile food prep gadgets help reduce mess and streamline cooking processes, encouraging healthier eating habits and reducing food waste. Durability and materials matter, too. Stainless steel components resist rust and wear, while BPA-free plastics and reinforced structures ensure tools stand up to daily use. Thoughtful extras, like protective appliance covers, help maintain the beauty and functionality of your investments, keeping countertops looking clean and coordinated. Whether you're a busy parent, a passionate home cook, or someone who simply appreciates an orderly space, today's kitchen products are designed to save time, reduce stress, and support a lifestyle where functionality meets elegance. By choosing tools that prioritize quality, adaptability, and ease of use, you can create a kitchen that's not only efficient but also a joy to use every day. So the first KitchenAid is digital countertop dishwasher, compact, energy efficient, cleaning for small spaces. If I go to explore it, this KitchenAid digital countertop dishwasher offers a premium space-saving solution for apartments, dorm rooms, offices, or secondary kitchens, where a full-size dishwasher isn't practical. With a capacity for up to 6 full-place settings, this compact yet powerful appliance features 6 wash cycles, including normal, heavy, pro wash, speed 60, rinse, and glass, all easily selected through its intuitive digital touch controls. Its sleek stainless steel design not only resists fingerprints, but also complements modern kitchen aesthetics, while the built-in water softener helps prevent spotting and filming, ensuring dishes come out sparkling even in hard water conditions. This model stands out with its advanced sensor technology that automatically adjusts water usage and temperature based on soil level, promoting both efficiency and exceptional cleaning performance. The 44 dBA operation ensures quiet functionality, making it suitable for open living spaces or nighttime use. Installation is remarkably simple, no permanent plumbing is required, just connect to any standard kitchen faucet using the included adapter, and it's ready to use. For those seeking a high-end, compact dishwasher that doesn't compromise on cleaning power or smart features, the KitchenAid KQ909 delivers convenience and reliability in an elegant, user-friendly package. Let's check its FAQs. Question 1. Does this dishwasher require a special faucet adapter? Answer. It includes a universal faucet adapter that fits most standard kitchen faucets, though some pull-down or commercial-style faucets may require an additional adapter. Question 2. How energy efficient is this model compared to full-size dishwashers? Answer. It uses significantly less water and energy per cycle, approximately 2.8 gallons, making it an efficient choice for small households or occasional use. Second product is Cisily Spice Organizer Set, 24-jar rust-proof stainless steel, kitchen storage with labels. If I go to explore it, this Cisily Spice Organizer Set revolutionizes kitchen storage with its sleek, durable stainless steel design that combines functionality with modern elegance. The set includes 24 identical glass jars equipped with secure, leak-proof lids to keep spices fresh and protected from moisture, light, and air, key factors in preserving flavor and potency. Each jar holds up to 4.5 ounces of spice, and features a dual-layer sifter lid for easy shaking or pouring, while the transparent glass body allows for quick identification of contents. The included 192 pre-printed labels cover common spices and herbs, along with blank labels for customization, all designed with a waterproof adhesive that won't peel or fade over time. The rust-proof stainless steel rack is engineered for stability and space efficiency, capable of holding all 24 jars in 2 tiers, while occupying minimal counter or cabinet space. Its open frame design allows easy access to every jar, without shuffling containers, and the non-slip feet prevent scratching on surfaces. Customers consistently praise how this set transforms cluttered spice collections into an organized, professional-looking display. For home chefs and organizing enthusiasts seeking a permanent solution to spice chaos, this Cisily set delivers unparalleled durability, convenience, and aesthetic appeal. Let's check its FAQs. Question 1. Are the jars truly airtight to maintain spice freshness? Answer: yes, the silicone-sealed lids create an airtight and moisture-proof environment, significantly extending the shelf life of spices compared to store packaging. Question 2. Can the rack be mounted on a wall or inside a cabinet door? Answer: while designed for countertop use, the rack includes pre-drilled mounting holes for optional wall installation, offering flexibility for various kitchen layouts. Third product of this video is Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer, 10in1 Multifunctional Food Processor, for healthy cooking. If I go to explore it, this versatile 10in1 vegetable chopper and spiralizer is designed to simplify meal prep while encouraging healthier eating habits. The set includes 7 interchangeable stainless steel blades capable of dicing, slicing, julienning, spiraling, and grating a wide variety of fruits and vegetables, with consistent results. The main dicer features 3 precision blades for creating perfect cubes in small 1/2 inch, medium 3/4 inch, and large 1 inch sizes, while the spiralizer attachment transforms zucchini, carrots, and potatoes into noodle-like strands for low-carb alternatives. The ergonomic design includes a non-slip base and comfortable plunger mechanism that minimizes hand strain while maximizing safety during use. Built with commercial-grade 420 stainless steel blades, this chopper maintains sharpness through repeated use and resists corrosion better than conventional materials. The collection tray features measurement markings up to 4 cups for easy portion control, and all components are dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. Customers consistently praise how this system reduces food preparation time by up to 80%, making it ideal for busy families, meal preppers, and anyone following specific dietary plans like keto, paleo, or vegan. For home cooks seeking restaurant quality, presentation, and efficiency without the expense of electric appliances, this manual food chopper delivers professional results while occupying minimal storage space. Let's check its FAQs. Question 1. Can this chopper handle hard vegetables like sweet potatoes and beets? Answer: yes, the commercial-grade stainless steel blades easily cut through hard vegetables, though particularly tough items may require firmer pressure. Question 2. Is the plastic housing durable enough for regular use? Answer: the BPA-free food-grade plastic is engineered to withstand daily use and resists cracking or staining, as confirmed by long-term user reviews. Last product of this video is KitchenAid Countertop Appliance Cover Protective, stainless steel finish, universal fit for small appliances. If I go to explore it, keep your countertops looking clean and your appliances protected with this sleek and practical KitchenAid countertop appliance cover, designed to shield small kitchen appliances such as stand mixers, coffee makers, toasters, and blenders from dust, spills, and everyday kitchen splatters. This cover combines functionality with a premium aesthetic. KitchenAid is known for made from durable, easy clean polyester material. It features a flexible yet structured design that maintains its shape, while offering a snug, universal fit for appliances up to 8.72 inches in height. The stainless steel finish seamlessly complements modern kitchen decor, while resisting fingerprints and smudges, ensuring your countertop always looks tidy and coordinated. Ideal for those who value both form and function, this cover is not only machine washable for easy maintenance but also dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. Its lightweight yet protective design allows for quick access to appliances without the hassle of bulky storage. Whether you're looking to preserve the appearance of your prized KitchenAid mixer or simply maintain a clutter-free countertop, this appliance cover offers an affordable and stylish solution for homeowners invested in keeping their kitchens organized and their appliances in pristine condition. This cover delivers durability, convenience, and a touch of elegance. Let's check its FAQs. Question 1. Will this cover fit appliances other than KitchenAid brands? Answer: yes, its universal design accommodates a wide range of small countertop appliances up to 8.72 inches tall, including models from other brands like Cuisinart, Breville, and Ninja. Question 2. Is the cover heat resistant if placed over a warm appliance? Answer: the material is designed to withstand typical residual heat from appliances like coffee makers or toasters, but it should not be used on items that are still hot to the touch to avoid potential damage. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Our video for today ends here. If you like any product, links of all products are given in the description for your convenience. Go to the description and order your favorite product. I hope you like the video, and if you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for the best upcoming videos.